Welcome back to Incova's News. On 16 January 1967, the historic opinion poll safeguards Goa's identity, preventing its merge with Maharashtra. Today, this pivotal day remains uncelebrated, but Yuri Alemao intends to change that.
In a fervent plea before the Assembly, Alemao will demand the formal recognition and celebration of Opinion Poll Day, urging colleagues, particularly from the ruling party, to support this resolution. All eyes are on the Assembly to see if this crucial part of Goan history will finally receive the recognition it deserves.
Opinion Poll Day, on the historic Opinion Poll Day, अस्मितायचो दीस 16 January 1967 ह्या दिसाक एक हिस्टॉरिक ओपिनियन पोल जालो आणि जेन्ना ओपिनियन पोल जालो दिस ओपिनियन पोल इज इक्वल टू आवर स्टेटहूड डे आणि म्हाका दिसता वी सेलिब्रेट आवर स्टेटहूड डे विथ स्टेटस आणि म्हाका दिसता आज एक स्टेट फंक्शन जाता त्याच पद्धतीन that this opinion poll should be celebrated with state function is the demand that I would make in the house. Dr. Jagsikher, पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर, जावं आमचे पंडित नेहरू जी, इंदिरा गांधी जी, दुसरे जायते जावं शाबू देसाय, उदय बेंब्रे बाब, दुसरे सगळे आहले, they were instrumental. And आज today it is because of Opinion Poll Day that we stand today as Goans. Otherwise, we would have been merged in Maharashtra. So this is a very, very significant day, and I hope that all my colleagues, especially in the ruling, and the people will watch them today. And I hope you all should also question them in the ruling. They are ruling a high MLA, they will question korpak जाय. Opinion poll day or these which person important or not? Why you all are not celebrated? Why will you all support the resolution or no? So this is something that I believe is very, very important, and we will make sure that we raise this. दूसरे जे issue है with regards to revenue department, labor and employment. All these things also will raise today. We've got demands with regards to fisheries, animal husbandry, factory and boilers, and we will show where this government has failed to identify the leakages. Now, Sadan Munta, this government is full of leakages. You will see also several leakages when I speak on the cut motion.
युरी तुम्ही आता म्हणता तो ओपिनियन पोल डे सेलिब्रेट करूंक जाय म्हणता दुसरे वटेन तुम्ही म्हणता सरकार फक्त इव्हेंटूच करता आता ह्या बाबतीन इव्हेंट केलो जाल्यार
वो स्टेट फंक्शन आज आमी गोंयकार म्हणून or we got official language as Konkani or as a state, it is because of this day. Everything has to go whatever we want in this day. This is the most important day in our history. Most important day. What आज आम जरी तर merge जाल्ले महाराष्ट्रा भरा आज आम्ही आमदार खंय पंच आसपाचे कडे मुखेलमंत्री हा तो खंय सरपंच आहलो आसतलो ह्या पद्धतीन आज ह्या दिसाचो म्हाका दिसता खंय ना खंय उगडास आमी करपाक जाय and our future generations should know. It is what our future generations, our children should know. It is sad to see that this is politicized. I will not politicize this issue. Whoever in the past, whatever has happened, but we need to remember that this opinion poll day, which should be remembered in the history of Goa. सांगिल ते भाशेन ह्या आमच्या हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक तेंगेले जे सगळे पोर्टफोलिओ आहा ताका स्टार्वेशन डायटाचेर दवरला मुखेलमंत्री ताका डायटिंगाचेर तो मातशें भागोला ते तांत्यान कांय पयशे मेळनाय म्हूण भागोला वो ते दुसरे केसो डायटिंग करता जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना बट सोयल्यार 60 crore ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 50-60 months अरे ते लाडली लक्ष्मी तुमकां फोन मात आसतले बाबा हे लाडली लक्ष्मी आज मेळटले फाल्यां मेळटले आनी सांगत आहाय गेले ते विधानसभेनूय आमी मांडलेले गृह आधार ऑलमोस्ट 9 crores आर पेंड दिस गव्हर्मेंट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट सिरियस हे बारीक मनशाचे पयशे जे इव्हेंट कोते आतां मुखार कोण हिंचातालो हे पयशे इव्हेंट बंद करा इंग दिया हे लोकांक ओपिनियन पोल म्हणटा तो जावपाकूच जाय. ओपिनियन पोल डे हॅज टू बी सेलिब्रेटेड एज अ स्टेटहूड डे. एंड आय रिक्वेस्ट द प्रेस ऑल्सो, you all should question all the MLAs. Is it important? Should it be celebrated as statehood day? You all ask all the MLAs, especially these 8 Ghatki Munis. कोणा विचाराय तुम्ही आज
सरप्लस बजेट म्हणून सांगता सीएम आणि
अरे ते काय ना ते फिगर चयल्यान ते काय ना एडवायझर सगळे आपले 4-5 फिगर सांगतात. रेव्हेन्यू सप्ला 1700 crore. His dependence on the mining, his dependence on Mopa International, his dependence on double engine Sarkar, all these things you see finally they are just announcements. काहीच जायना, फक्त फकाणा. Absolutely all the figures are all fuzzy.
थँक्यू.